Hey guys, and welcome to another video. In this video I will talk in English for the first time because a few months ago, I'm not sure, I made an inquiry asking if you would like to have my videos in English, speaking in English or Portuguese with subtitles. That is what I actually do normally. But 60% of you said, oh guys, speak in English, so let's speak in English. Speaking in English for me is not easy because it's not my main language, so I'm a bit afraid, to be honest. I'm a bit afraid, but I'll give my best and let's check how it goes. But that's not the point for today's video. Today's video we're gonna paint our brake calipers. We have been working on our Nissan Micra, which is, in case, this guy over here, and we have been improving so we can make a nice looking car. It's an old car, of course, but I want to give him a new life and give him a nice condition. Our brake calipers are just a mess, so let's paint these guys and I will show you how to do it. And very cheap, actually. I spent just like $5, not more than that, 5 and something. So it's very cheap, you don't need special tools, you can do it at home. So let's go. First thing, let's remove our wheel. As you can see, this is full of rust. He has been sitting, so it's normal that I have a lot of rust. These brake discs are actually new. The first thing we have to do is to clean it, give a nice clean. Then we can sandpaper, or you can use wire brushes to give a nice clean. And to be honest, this is my recommendation because it will save half of time maybe. If you use sandpaper, you will spend tons and tons of time cleaning this, and actually cleaning is the main point of this. The first thing that I'm gonna do is using a brake cleaner and clean as much as I can. Once you clean everything as much as you can, the next step is to mask everything that you don't want to paint. once you mask everything that you don't want to paint, it's time for painting. You can buy this brake caliper paint, I think in any shop actually that it's related to cars. So this one cost me $5. It's special made for brake caliper paint. Let's paint this. The first coat is applied, now you just have to wait like 10 minutes and 2 more coats coming. Now, second coat. Now the last coat. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and leave in the comments if you like or if you want me to continue to speak in English, or you prefer Portuguese and the subtitles. For me this is a test actually, and to understand if there is any difference, which will be good for me because I usually don't practice my English, so it will be very nice speaking English, but I have to be honest, I don't feel very comfortable. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. I have been working on this Nissan Micra for a while, and I just produced some repairs, improvements and things like that. So don't forget, if you're not subscribed, just subscribe and leave your thumbs up, that will help a lot. And just unmask this and let's check the results. Go!